and welcome once again to the studio. I'm Joa, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can create and discover your creative process. Many people ask all the time what your creative process is or what are the steps that you need to follow in order to have a creative process. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about that, and in the meantime I'm going to be drawing one of my all-time favorite characters from Miyazaki's movie Spirited Away, YUBABA. So let's get started. So let's start from the basics. If you Google creative process, this is the info that you will get. The creative process is the evolution of an idea into its final form through a progression of thoughts and actions. The creative process involves critical thinking and problem-solving skills. So basically, the creative process is all the steps that you take from the first stage of that idea, which is I want to draw this or I want to create this, and follow all the steps that you need to take in order to take that idea to its final stage, which is the finalized artwork. So I'm gonna talk about how I do my creative process, and I start by cleaning my workspace. And while I'm doing that, I try to think about the art that I want to create. I try to think about the materials that I'm going to use, how I'm going to use it, and I try to think, let's say, the best possible outcome of this process. Because if you do this, if you start to thinking and then believing that your art is going to be, let's say, the best art that you ever created, and that's really good to create an art piece. So the second thing that I do, I try to connect with myself. It's easier than you think. You can do it by meditating before creating your art, or you can do it by putting your favorite music. Okay, you already clean your workspace and think positive while you're doing it, and now you're setting your own mood. So you need to be, or in my case, I need to be just happy. Then the third thing that I do, and this is while I'm doing in the middle of my art, I try to think positive again. I try to think this is going to have a really good reaction from people. This is going to be one of the greatest art I ever created. And if you motivate yourself during the process and feel happy and confident and positive about it, you are going to see that the results are better and better every time. And last but not least, let it flow. And let it flow for me is let yourself be filled with the energy that you are creating with your art, and let yourself get by with that energy. Enjoy the process. Try to feel grateful while you're doing it, and just let yourself get by through that energy while you're creating. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to click the like button. And if you have any comments or thoughts, let me know in the comment section. Let's talk. If you want to see more art outside my YouTube channel, you can follow me on any of my social media or check out my Patreon page. I'm Joa, and see you on the next one. Bye!